Okay guys, let me show you another powerful volatility 75 index strategy that you can use to make $50 every day, or to turn a low account balance of about $10 to over $2,000. So now if you are just learning about volatility 75 index, then you will need to download the MetaTrader app on the Deriv platform. But if this is your first time of just learning about Deriv, then you will need to create an account on Deriv broker. So I'll leave a link in the description of this video that you can click on that link. It will take you to the Deriv website for you to create your own Deriv demo account that you can use to practice this strategy before you can then start trading with it. Okay, so let me just quickly show you this strategy right away. The strategy just involves us to combine three powerful indicators, as you can see on my screen here. So if you come to the indicator window here, if I click on it, you see that we have two moving average on the chart, that's on the main chart. Then we have the MACD. So let me just show you the settings for the two moving average. So let me take this first one. The period is, and the method is linear weight. Then apply to close. All right, then the style, just take 3 picks there. Then you can see that I use red color for this particular moving average. So once you've done that, just click on save. Then we come to the second moving average. Remember that these two moving average will be on the main chart. Okay, for the second moving average, just click on it. The period is 10, shift is 5, the method is linear weight. Then apply to previous indicator data. Okay, so you see the style, 3 picks there. Then you can see that I took green color for this one. Once you've gotten the settings, click on save. Okay, then the final indicator, which is the MACD. So if you click on the MACD, so on the MACD, the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, and the MACD SMA 9. So apply to close. All right, so for the histogram, it's 4 picks there, and I took green color. Then the signal line, I also took 4 picks there, and the color is red. So if you click on save, then we just go back to the chart here. So as you can see, my guys, this is the strategy that I'm about to show you. And also this strategy is very useful on the 5 minutes time frame. What I'll be doing right away is I'll just explain to you how to combine these indicators to get accurate sniper entries to make profit. Okay, so as you can see in the chart already, you can see that the red moving average just crossed below the green moving average. Okay, so that is one of the major conditions for us to enter a trade, but that's not the only condition. So whenever you notice that the red moving average crosses below the green moving average, then just look at the MACD. Once the MACD signal line, which is this red one you are seeing here, once it's below 0, okay, it's just that this particular trade now is quite late for us to take this trade. If we were to take this trade, we could have taken this trade around this time. You can see that the market has gone down a lot more since the full conditions were met. So the first condition is for the red moving average to be below the green moving average. Then the MACD signal line should be below 0. So this is just how you get your sell trades for this strategy. So let me show you how you get buy trades. If I just go back a bit, we'll see that. So you can see this is the condition to take a buy trade from this excellent strategy. Once the green goes above the red moving average, as you can see here, you can see that the green went above the red moving average around this region, and once that occurred, then you just look at the MACD. Once you notice that the MACD signal line, which is this red one, once the signal line goes above this 0, then that's the final condition to place your buy trade. And you can see that if you had placed your buy trade at this point here, if you just place your buy trade here, you can see that you would have ride this trend to the top. You can see the top of this trend. You'd have made a lot of pips. And this strategy, I have back tested it, and the win rate is so high, more than 90% of the trade, once you follow the right conditions for every trade. Let me just show you another trade just for more back test. Okay, now you can see that there's another good trade here. You can see that at this point the red went below the green moving average here. Then you just monitor the MACD, because there are times that the red will go below the green moving average, but your MACD will be above 0. So those are filters for you to let you know to enter into such trades. So once the red goes below the green, just check your MACD. If you see that your MACD signal has gone below the 0 number, then that is the signal to go for a sell trade. Okay, so before I end the video, I'll just show you the most profitable risk to reward ratio that you can use to make maximum profit from this trade. Okay, so you can see another good signal here. You see that at this point the red just went above the green moving average. Okay, and you can see that on the MACD signal line it just went above the 0 number, just as that when the crossover occurred. If you have taken the trade from here, you ride the train to the top and you make a lot of profit from this trade. So now for us to get the best risk to return ratio, so you can use 1:4 risk to return ratio. What that means is that when you've taken your trade, so let's say we've taken this trade here, let's say we enter this trade at this point here, you just simply take your stop loss to be below the nearest support, which is just around here. So if your stop loss is, let's say your stop loss is 50 pips, then your take profit should be 200 pips, or let's say 150. Or you can just simply ride the trend to the top up until when another crossover occurred, as you can see here. Once you do this using the right risk to return ratio, when you lose a trade, the profit you make from another trade can effectively cancel the losses of about 4 trades. So the profit you make from one trade has covered the losses of like 4 trades you get using the risk to return of 1:4. So this is the strategy, guys, and I hope you've understand it, and you can actually practice or test the strategy, or you can even back test it further. You will notice that the strategy is very profitable, the signals are very accurate, and the return is very good compared to the risk. Let me know your experience in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.